commander of the Presidential Security Command, ano ba yung mga functions ninyo? Of course, you have to protect the president and the first family.
Are you also securing the president's siblings?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, meron kayo naka-assign kay Miss Irene.
Yes po, Your Honor.
May naka-assign din kayo kay Senator Amy.
Your Honor,
Next question is explain why or why not.
Your Honor, it is mandated for us to protect the siblings, and I will talk to the good senator for the preparation of his security.
You know, it's a basic function, basic tasking, basic duty of the PSC to secure the siblings. It is not up to the presidential sister, in this case, Senator Marcos, if she needs security or not. Because if something happens to her, it's your responsibility, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
And the very troublesome situation in the West Philippine Sea as well as in the Taiwan Straits. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Admiral.
Thank you, Honorable Marcos. Honorable Estrada, after
I'm just reminded,
Honorable Lacson.
Yeah.
Yes.
follow-up lang, you are tasked to secure the first family, hindi ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Define first family. Immediate family, even extended family, like, no, not other families, but, which brings me to my next question. Are you also securing the president's siblings?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So, meron kayo naka-assign kay Miss Irene.
Yes po, Your Honor.
May naka-assign din kayo kay Senator Amy.
Your Honor,
Next question is explain why or why not.
Your Honor, I can say this out in the open. When I arrived po, third month ko na ngayon, ma'am, tinanong ko po kung
You are the
mayroon...
chairman, not Senator
Yes,
Amy.
yes po. Yes po. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, when I arrived 3 months ago, last week of November, I diagnosed the command and I studied the security plans and the close-in protection system of the PSC. And when I checked all the personnel assigned, nakita ko po that there was no personnel assigned to our
So,
chair.
what
Your
do you intend to do about it now that you're the head of the PSG?
Your Honor, it is mandated for us to protect the siblings, and I will talk to the good senator for the preparation of his security.
It's a basic function, basic tasking, basic duty of the PSG to secure the siblings. It is not up to the presidential sister, in this case, Senator Marcos, if she needs security or not. Because if something happens to her, it's your responsibility, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So how do you intend to go about it now?
I will prepare security teams for honor for our good senator.
So even if she refuses, you will assign a contingent to secure her.
That's the mandate, Your Honor.
Tama yung sagot mo. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
What if, Mr. Chair, just one question.
Honorable Estrada.
What if the president does not allow it? What will you do?
That is the next way forward, Your Honor. That's the next step to...
Excuse me?
Your Honor, that's the... That's the
I'll
next
posit an answer. I'll cross the bridge when I get there.
step. Your Honor, I will cross the bridge when I get there.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you, Honorable Estrada. Madam Secretary, please administer the oath to the oath to the appointees.
Sirs and madams, please stand and raise your right hands. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in these proceedings, so help you God? Mr. Chairman, the appointees are now all under oath.
Thank you.
Please take your seats.
The committee would like to call on Rear Admiral Andro Val P. Abayon, the most senior among the officers now under consideration. You may take the seat in front, sir. Rear Admiral Abayon, you may give your opening statement if you have any.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, Your Honor. Good morning to all. I am Rear Admiral Androbal Abayon, Philippine Navy, the newly appointed commander of the Presidential Security Command, now on my third month. I and the 80 general flag and senior officers appear before the Commission on Appointment for our confirmation, Your Honors.
Thank you, Rear Admiral Abayon. The floor is now open for any inquiries or comments from the members. Honorable Risa Ontiveros is recognized.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair. Magandang umaga po, Rear Admiral Abayon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, sir. Actually, sir, wala po akong tanong kay Rear Admiral Abayon. So, unless any other colleagues from the committee would like to pose questions to the good Rear Admiral, may manifestation po ako sa isa pang official and then few clarificatory questions to some of the other officers, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Ontiveros. Any more inquiries from the members? If there's none, I'd like to call on Senator Bongo, who would like to ask questions. The senator is online.
Mr. Chair,
Oh, yes. Mamaya na lang po kayo.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
The chair would just like to ask if the question later will still be for the Rear Admiral Abayon or sa ibang officer.
Wala po pang nothing in particular. No one in particular po. Support lang po ako sa lahat. Yun lang po. Pakiuna na lang po. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you very much, Honorable Senator Bongo. I believe maraming salamat po. Honorable Jingo Estrada.
thank you, Mr. Chair. General, are you related to the former congressman of Samar?
A distant relative po, sir, Your Honor.
Tiga Samar ka?
I'm from Kalibo, Aklan po, sir.
Kalibaklan. Okay, as a commander of the Presidential Security Command, ano ba yung mga functions ninyo? Of course, you have to protect the president and the first family. Aside from that,
Your Honor, the core mission of the Presidential Security Command is to ensure the security and safety of the President, which is our Commander-in-Chief, and also the first family, and other dignitaries, Your Honor, entrusted to our care, like the visiting head of states and other persons tasked for us to protect, Your Honor.
what about the other high-ranking officials like the Vice President, the Senate President, the House Speaker? Do you provide them security?
Your Honor, as of the moment, in my knowledge, we have no personnel assigned to the Speaker of the House and to the Senate President po, Your Honor.
But the Vice President?
As of the moment po, none, Your Honor.
Only the President and the first family?
Yes, Your Honor. The Vice President, Your Honor, is with the Armed Forces of the Philippines Protection Group, Your Honor. The one created 2 years ago, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Honorable Jingo Estrada.